Welcome to Cybersecurity in 60 Seconds, where our goal is to quickly connect you to your cybersecurity world. I'm Mike Echols. Well, recently, top government cyber officials came together to discuss a failing approach to protecting our digital fabric. They suggested a solution is to become a more difficult cyber target through collaboration, trust, resilient cyber networks, and building a strong cyber-educated workforce beginning at an early age. Check. They also hinted that the government needs to shift to a more supportive role, bringing its resources to help secure the private sector. Check. They said that transgressors in cyberspace should need to be all of us to be any of us. Check. Now, the question is, what would that look like? Now, here's where I get lost. One expert said if a company can't afford to protect itself, it probably can't afford to be in business. And while that might be true, small businesses are the engine of this nation. So creating a new barrier to entry is concerning. Fashion yourself a thought leader. What do you think? This is Mike Echols, and I'll talk to you soon.